Meet the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S20 Plus, straight from the future. Smart, affordable, and designed to clean your entire home effortlessly. Its LDS laser navigation helps to map your rooms with precision. It comes with a powerful 6000 Pascal suction to pick up dirt, dust, and hair. Mops and vacuums all at once. Perfect for hard floors and carpets. You can connect it with your phone via the Mi Home app, set schedules, monitor progress, and control remotely. It's also Alexa and Google Assistant supported. You can use it up to 170 minutes on a single charge. It also has smart auto return to the dock when the cleaning is done. This is just the beginning. Subscribe to Galaxy Station for more videos.